all the thumbnails and the titles, sweetheart, zero views, zero views. Yes, I can tell you. So I was able to find an AI that can help us replicate those thumbnails that we love, right? Those thumbnails that wow you, those thumbnails you see in your favorite creators' channels, and you've been wondering, how do I go about this? How can I learn this? I'm going to be teaching you how to replicate your thumbnails free of charge in this particular video. You don't want to go anywhere. Just stay tuned as I bring you the step-by-step video on how you can achieve yet another thumbnail that will blow another person just like this one blew your mind. Why does it matter? Why do thumbnails actually matter? Your thumbnail is the first impression that your video makes, okay? That is the very first impression that your video makes. You could have the best content in the world, but if your thumbnail doesn't match attention, people will have the best content in the world. But if your thumbnail doesn't catch the attention, that content will not see the light of day. That's why it does matter what you do with your thumbnail. If you remember, I did a series on how you can use ChatGPT to blow up your channel. The thumbnail was one of the episodes. I hope you have watched it. If you've not watched it, I'm going to pin that video right inside of this one. You need to watch it so that you know exactly what to do when you get to ChatGPT. But this one, I want to introduce to you an app that can replicate a thumbnail that you love, an existing thumbnail, okay? So the first thing you want to do is head over to your YouTube, right? Now I have this thumbnail here under JBay's account. So I'm going to click on my three dots, share. I'll just quickly copy the link, head over straight to Google Chrome. I'm going to look for YouTube thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail downloader. There it goes. I click on the very first one that pops out. I'm going to just paste the link I copied from JBay's video. Tap get thumbnail images. Now this is the image, okay? I'm going to click on download SD thumbnail image. That's what I'm clicking on right away. Quickly click on it. It has downloaded. Open it. This is it inside my gallery, okay? I'm done with this. I'm just going to close this up. Get to another search box, the same Chrome. Type in Nano Banana Gemini. Look at it. Click on it. Click on it. You come to this one that is showing you Google Gemini, right? Click on it. Now, you come to your three, by your right hand side where you have Gemini, by the right hand side you have the three bars. Click on the three bars. This is very important because this is where people, get it all messed up. You get to this interface and you click on try Gemini. It gives you a prompt. Remember, this is AI, so you're going to tell exactly what you want. What you want to do is come to the plus sign, go to your gallery, bring in this image, click done. Now you put a prompt. This is a thumbnail that I love so much, and it fits into the video I am working on at the moment. Will like you to replace just the male image with an image I will be providing you. You send it. Okay? Send it. You give it some time to do the magic. Give it some time to do the magic. Come on, guy, be fast. It says, no problem. I can definitely help you with this. Please provide me with the image. So you come back to the plus sign, go to your gallery, and get the image you would like to use. So let me take any of those ones. Okay, let's go with this one. Okay. Use this image to replace the male image on the thumbnail. Maintaining the side where the male image sits, and also making sure the inscriptions remain the same and the aspect ratio remains 16.6. Remember, 16.6 is the aspect ratio for YouTube. So we send this out. Let's see. Help us, help us, help us, help us. Okay, all right, this is the updated image. Let's see what we have. You haven't updated it. You haven't updated it. Replace with the new image. Yeah. Replace with a new image. I don't want your stories. Exactly. So this is what we have. This is the image we now have. Did it take seconds? No, it didn't take seconds. You just have to give it a prompt that, it can work with. Remember this, I'm just doing this as a tutorial, so the image doesn't really fit. This one is pointing two fingers, and then the finger of this other guy is still pointing to 1,000 total subscribers, but that is okay. It's basically how you do it. Know the prompt you're putting. The prompt you're putting will determine your outcome. Okay, so this is just it. You come over here and click on download. Downloading full size. Yes, so go back. Let's go back to our gallery and check if our image is seated there waiting for us. That's the image we just created. Okay, this one is what we just created. Hope you do understand.